Welcome back, everybody. Happy to see you. Let's talk a little bit about air filter care, man. Anybody like breathing through a mask for the past year? No, probably not. I didn't either, man. And when your air filter gets dirty, that's what your engine's doing, breathing through a layer of crud that you don't want there. So, anyone who knows air filters knows K&N. You had to have heard of the brand. K&N Air Filter Recharger Kit, right? Comes with your cleaner, comes with your filter oil, great way to maintain your air filters. Beyond that, we'll have Power Clean separate, we'll have K&N Air Filter Oil separate as well. Take care of your air filter, guys. K&N's a great way to do it at 22 bucks. So come on in and see us, and let's get your engine breathing better.